Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale. So today in this video we're going to install the DerpFest official Android 12 version. This is another build of this amazing ROM. So I'll quickly tell you about the steps, and then we'll see how the ROM is, how the look and the feel of the ROM is. And just to let you know that this is a GApps build, and the build date of this ROM is 10th of March 2022. So it's a very recent build. So whosoever want to try the DerpFest in their mobile phones, they can definitely see this video and share this video with their friends who are also enthusiastic about doing the same, right? So I'm going to install this in Poco F1, and the procedure will be very similar for all the smartphones that support DerpFest project. So first of all, we'll quickly press the volume up and power button both at the same time, and this will take around about 6 to 7 seconds, and we'll land with the recovery mode. That is, in my phone it's the TWRP recovery, so we'll land on that mode, and we'll start installing the ROM, right? So before doing that, since this is a new ROM, so a clean flash would be recommended and would be required. So that means keep your data backed up. Right, so I'll swipe to allow modifications, and I'll click on wipe and format data, and I'll type as yes because I don't have anything super important on my phone. So yeah, I'll simply do that, and the data will be formatted, and I'll again restart the device and do the same, right? Reboot, again press the volume up and power button both at the same time. Again, it will take some time, like this time it will take around 5 seconds, and we'll again land to the TWRP mode here. So here we are, right? So swipe to allow modification. So I'll quickly copy the ROM file in the phone, whose link is in the description, as you can see, and you can also download it, and we can start the installation procedure, right? So I have my ROM file in the USB drive. So for I'll have a separate process, but for others, when you will copy it in the internal storage, you will click on install and you will see that file, right? So right now I'll simply click on this, and I'll mount the USB, and now I'll be able to see the file right over here. This is for the Beryllium, and I'll swipe to confirm flash, right? So here you can see it says patching system image unconditional. That means the ROM file is getting installed now. And just for that time, I'll just let you know that it's the Android 12 version. The build date, if you see, that's of 10th of April 2022, and the security patch is again of 5th of April 2022. So that's a very amazing thing that we're getting the latest security patch. So this process again is gonna take around about 5 minutes. So I'll quickly fast forward the video from here, and I'll quickly meet you on the intro on the main screen, because this is a GApps build, and it will take some amount of time to set the phone up. So I'll do all those process. I'll save you from all of that hiccup, and let's meet on the lock screen. So here we are on the first screen of the DerpFest ROM Android 12. And let me just quickly change the wallpaper, because I don't have a super amazing camera, so it would be a little problem with a dark screen, right? So I'll go with something light. Yes, so home screen and lock screen. So yeah, now the wallpaper is a little better, and I'll also swipe down, and just okay, the notification seems a little jittery, a little. They're not just smooth in how they were in the other ROMs that I have tested personally, right? So where is the dark mode? Okay, sorry, where is the dark mode? So maybe we'll have to click on this, and we'll have to find the dark mode from here, and we'll have to drag it back to here. I'll click on edit again, and here's the dark mode. I'll quickly turn it off, right? So okay, this thing is still for me a little jitterish, not super smooth. Maybe it's because of this animation. If you see, again I'll do it. Rest, this animation feels super smooth. Yeah, this is also good, and Play Store, it opens. Yes, nothing is breaking strangely, not strangely, I mean fortunately. So let's go to settings first and see what are the system settings that we are getting. Okay, the DerpFest updater is here, so here you can definitely check if there is another update for this particular DerpFest ROM or not, right? Apart from that, if we go to about phone section, you will see where is it? The Android 12 is here, and what else are we having? So DerpFest version is here, and all the information about the maintainer and other stuff is here, right? So you can definitely have a look, right? So first of all, we'll check the safety net, whether you can run the okay, and I said before that Play Store was not crashing, and now it's crashing. Let's see. Okay, fortunately it loads. So I'll type safety net. Yeah. So I'll quickly install it, and this will ensure that whether the banking apps will work in this ROM or not, and we'll also check the DRM info whether all the OTT apps will run in the highest resolution possible or not, right? So let's see. Okay, we are still on the install screen for some reason, and so I waited for a little time and SafetyNet is installed. So I'll open it and let's run the test. And yes, the SafetyNet passes. So CTS profile match success. So the banking apps and all of the security application in your phone will work just fine. So that's a very awesome thing. And apart from that, let's also see the DRM that I also installed and DRM info. So it should be L1. Let's see, and it's the security level is L1, so all the OTT apps will work just fine in this particular ROM, right? So let's go to settings again and see what else the DerpFest ROM is giving us, right? So this is the standalone DerpFest space where you will, you'll be able to do all kind of settings in your phone, right? So first of all, let's see what battery settings we can do in this phone, right? So battery style, whether you want to, if you see right now the battery icon, if I click on landscape, right, you will see the battery like this. And if I change to circle, you will see a circle. So all the battery icon related colors and other things you want to see, that can be, okay, status bar. There are a lot of things going on around, right? So you can have a look at these. And these are particular settings for battery, how the battery icon you want to make it look like. So now there are furthermore 3 more toggles, this and this. So this is battery. Now career label, how you want to see the career label, that settings are also here. So custom career labels are also, if you want to, for example, I'm using a Airtel SIM and a Jio SIM. So if I want to change the name of those things, I can do that. So clock and date settings are here. So all the things are very specifically sorted so that you don't have to, find them here and there. So again, a very amazing thing, the traffic indicators are here. So if you click on this, probably this will start showing us the network speed. You see right now it shows 44 kb/00, and this is the network status bar. If I turn it off, you won't be able to see any of those things, right? So better to keep them on because it's better. So apart from that, there are miscellaneous settings as well. Let's see what are they having. Okay, let everyone know that you're using a DerpFest when they see your screen. Okay, so this will probably change the lock screen. Let's see. Okay, I'm not sure what did it change, but yeah, must be something. Colored icons for notifications. Okay, not sure what was it, but I was not able to figure out what it was. So yeah, let's keep it how it was before, so it doesn't break anything, right? So apart from this, we have notification settings and quick settings, right? How you want to, the quick settings to look like. So I'm giving you a high level overview how and what settings are included in this particular ROM, right? So now we'll go to lock screen, and we have lock screen shortcuts, right? We have, let's see, left. Okay, so this is probably these shortcuts, what you see on these left and right section, right? So apart from that, we have lock screen UI, how you want to, if you want to see the ripple effect. Okay, I'm not sure if I saw any ripple effect or not, so I'm not sure if it's working, but yeah, they are having some lock screen UI changes as well. So ambient display, I won't go in this because this is an LCD display, and for the people who have AMOLED displays and having a DerpFest ROM, it's a very amazing thing for you people, right? Apart from that, we again have battery customization, battery settings and customization, pulse, and probably a lot of things going on. So if you are someone who wants customization, this is definitely the ROM for you, because you can literally overhaul everything, right? From the, if I'll turn it on, you can see something changed, yes. And apart from this, battery scale, this brightness scale, so I think we'll need a separate video for, I don't know, after I turned this thing on, the ROM started lagging, so probably I should, okay, so it sort of changed the theme, I guess, for the settings, it sort of changed the theme. So I'll just go back and I'll turn off the monitor engine parameters off. Yeah, now it's good. So a lot of settings are going on around here. So if you really wanna have a highly customizable ROM, this is for you. Since we checked, it is super stable, just everything is fine. We definitely need to see how the battery performs, but as per the use right now on 65%, it's claiming that 14 hours it can go. That it's probably the standby time or the very normal usage, but definitely we'll have to test this. I'm not sure if any phone can spend like 14 hours, but yeah, we'll have to test. Right, apart from that, let's go and what do we have in the security settings? In the locks, we have these 5 type of locks available, and yes, we do have a face unlock as well. So pattern under face. Okay, I'll just do a simple pattern, and yeah, done. Face unlock. I'll simply register my face. It's done. Yeah, so face added. So yeah, I'll add again. I'll do this, and it opens. You can click on this. It's taking like 1 second to open, so not super fast. There are better face locks available in other ROMs. So yeah, still in addition to this, it's good that at least they support face unlock, right? And yes, we do have an app lock. So okay, confirm to complete. So we can protect applications here. For example, you want to lock them. Let's go and open the calculator. It's locked. So yeah, there is an inbuilt face unlock and inbuilt app locker as well. So you don't need third-party applications for this, right? So for geeky guys or geeky folks, yeah, that's a better term. So encryption and credentials, phone is not encrypted by default. So if you have security issues, do check the settings as well. Right, so that was DerpFest ROM. If you want to know some specific information about this phone, do let me know. Do comment in the comment section, or the Telegram channel is in the description. You can also log on to the Telegram channel, to the Instagram, to YouTube, wherever I'll happily answer your questions over there, right? So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.